Hi, my name is Tina Marvin and I live in Leicester and I work for the NHS, and it was me who found Springbok on one of their adverts on Facebook.
Hi, I'm Marvin Henderson. I'm a foster carer and also live in Leicester. And we started with Springboks for the reason my father died and we needed to sell the house without going through an estate agent. We found Springbok very, flexible with the negotiating with us at the beginning. We spoke with a very nice lady called Amy, who went through the process of what would happen and how it would all go through.
Yeah, from the start of arranging that the house wouldn't go on the market outside, so with a board outside, so because we didn't want a board outside, did we?
And going back to Amy, she explained all the steps.
Yeah, 1 to 13.
Of what would happen, and everything went.
We went step by step, so it was like a trail. Yeah. And they give you it's like sort of like a map thing, isn't it? And it tells you like the first step and the second step, and it goes around right up to, and they were saying all the way along, oh, you're in step 8, you're in step 9, you're in step 10, and obviously Marvin's got family, so they was having a part of the sale of the house as well, so we was able to show them the paperwork that they was all sending through to us, that this is the stage that we're at and that's the stage that we're at as well. And the paperwork, well, that used to come through the door was like that thick sometimes, and they just mark everything and put little stickers on that we've got a sign, and then we'd send them all back by registered post to them so they could receive them the next day, and we've got an email or a text to say, yes, we've received your paperwork and this is the next stage and everything's done. It was very clear, weren't it? Yeah. Very clear for anybody, even when you're in that confused state of grief and confusion and not even really wanting to do it. Well, it was well thought out. It was well thought out, wasn't it? It was well thought out.
Well, we've never been through the process of selling a house before, so no. Yeah, it was very easy.
And not having to deal with solicitors this end and not estate agents. All we dealt with in person was that valuer, that surveyor, wasn't it?
Tom.
And Tom. Okay, that was it. That was the only people. The rest was done by emails and text messages and phone calls. And it was constant all the time. They never stopped. Always kept us informed. The money was in our account by 5:30 that evening, which we didn't think would be until like the next day or the day after. But they were like, no, it's there. We're like, oh, wow. So, and you can either have it bank transferred or they will send you a cheque. If I had to recommend Springbok to anybody else?
Certainly would.
Certainly would. Absolutely.
100%.
100%.
I'd recommend Springbok because from the initial phone call to Springbok and having that conversation and explained the process of what would happen went exactly more or less as what the lady said right at the beginning. The lady was named Amy, and she was very friendly and polite and knew her job, and then she passed us on to somebody else, and then he passes on to somebody else, and everything went smoothly and true to their word.
And we was introduced to the solicitors, weren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, introduced to the solicitors. They did their bit, and she seen us right to the very end. And would I recommend Springbok to anybody else? Yes, I would. Because I'd definitely use them again. If I had to sell a property or I was going to buy another property, that would be my first port of call, without a doubt.